Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can use trading fee rebate vouchers on Binance. So guys, open your Binance app on your device and click on this icon Binance, as you can see here guys. After that guys, click on more services, as you can see here. After that guys, click on search for rewards, as you can see here, and click that. If you don't have vouchers guys, you can do this simple task to collect your voucher and go to your my voucher, as you can see here. If you have vouchers and you find this section here, use voucher, and you find voucher and you just click use. I don't have my case guys, my account voucher, and if you have, you just click use and you will go to your trading to use. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon, and subscribe to my channel for more content.